Hi everyone, so I am just chilling today. Today is Saturday and hello, I'm just watching, I think it's Secret Life of a Baby or something like that. Watching it on catch up because I missed it the other night. And Ellie's down here with her toys. Hello. Dada, she's been saying Dada for so long now. I'm just making myself a quick cup of tea. Please excuse the state of my kitchen, but yeah, I'm just making myself a cup of tea. Not doing much today. I'm out tomorrow because it's my mum's birthday. So yeah, I'm gonna make a cup of tea. Oh, my food shop's coming later on, so I'll probably film that. Can I have some? Yum, yum, yum. Can I have some? Ellie? Dada? Dada? Hi everyone, so I done a food shop from Ocado this time. I just wanted a change, to be honest, and also on their website they were doing £20 off and free delivery over £80 I think for new people. So I wanted to give it a go. That actually doesn't seem like a lot, I say this all the time, but we've got quite a lot of meat like in the freezer and stuff, so I just needed the basics. So I thought I'd quickly show you what I got. And then also they sent me a free tea towel as well, which was really nice of them. And they were super helpful actually. So yeah, got a free tea towel. So I'll start off with kind of bakery section. I've got 2 lots of plain bagels. They're just the Waitrose type because for some reason they didn't have the New York ones that I have. So yeah, I just got 2 lots of them, but I'm pretty sure they taste very similar. I've got some large pita bread. I absolutely love pita bread, and got that. I got some brown bread for Paul for his sandwiches, and then a small loaf for me and Ellie. I'm going to give her some toast tomorrow, some toast fingers. Then I got some wraps for fajitas again. We had them twice this week and we really liked them. Then there's just a top offer thing. And then we've got some chicken breasts for sandwiches, some breaded ham, Maltesers, they were on offer. Most of these stuff were on offer, that's why I got them. And then I've got some baby potatoes to go with some meals that I will show you. So we've got some baby potatoes, Tutti Frutti yogurts for Paul, and he absolutely loves them. I've got some Barry's tea. Now this is my all-time favourite tea, and it's really hard to get it in the UK. I know sometimes Asda sell it, but not every Asda do. So when I saw this on their website, I just got a small pack, and it's got 40 tea bags, and it's Irish, so that's my favourite. I got these Mr. Kipling chocolate slices. I love these. Yum yum. I think they were only £1, so I had to get them. And then I've got a few things for Ellie. Now we have got a blender which my brother kindly got me. It's this one here. We'll be doing a review on it, but it's this brand here. Is it Bieber? And it's amazing. We tried it last night. I forgot to film it. And we didn't buy her any food, like pouches this time, because we're going to be making our own baby food. So I just got a few kind of finger foods, and these, which she absolutely loves. So the finger foods, these were on offer. I think they were free for something. But I got some carrot and tomato rice cakes, some baby biscuits, all bio organics, and some strawberry rice cakes. And as you can see, I really like organics because I've got these ones up here. I really like that brand for finger food. And then I got these, they were on offer, the Cow & Gates fruit cocktail things. She really likes these. So I've got 2 of them. Oh, one of them's apple and banana. And then another formula, Hungry Milk formula, that's the one she has, if anyone's interested. And then over here, sorry about the washing up, we've got some pork chops for a meal. We've got a roast chicken for, I'm not sure if we're going to do it on Sunday, which is tomorrow, because Paul's at work and I'm not sure when he'll be home and I'm out all day. So it'll be definitely for this week. We've got until the 12th of June, so that'll be definitely a roast dinner this week. That's just a medium chicken, and I've got some chicken breast fillets, some peas, frozen peas, mashed potato, some roast potatoes for the freezer. They're just handy to have in case we don't have any chips or something. Paul's doing a prawn stir fry, so we've got some prawns for him. We've got some potatoes. And then he's also doing salmon fillets with the baby potatoes that I showed you. This is his stir fry sauce, sweet chilli one. Noodles for the stir fry. I've got some more kind of chicken for bagels and stuff, because we are chicken mad in this family. And then over here we've got some British chicken breast chunks in breadcrumbs. I thought I'd give these a go because I really like breaded chicken. Stir fry mixed pepper kind of bag for his meal. And then we've got some of these. They're just really handy to have for roast dinners if we haven't got time to, like, you know, chop and all that kind of stuff. And they're really good for Ellie as well for finger food. So I've got 2 packets of them. I think they're only £1. I got some peppers. And I got some milk. So that is all the food. Like I said, don't look like a lot, but we've got the majority of it. And I also got 2 packs of Johnson's baby wipes. And there's 6 in each box, so there's 12 altogether. And they were on offer. I think they were 2 for £10. So yeah, I got some more wipes because we were running out. And then I got 2 pillows because we chucked our other ones. They were getting a bit manky. So I got 2 more by Silent Night, and I think they were £9. Yeah, they look really small, but I hope there's 2 in there. So that is everything. And little Ellie is here. Hello. Oh, is there a chicken? So look how blurry my camera is, Mum.
Yeah, this happened when we were little, did you?
I never did get terrapins. I had lizards. There's only one only sitting on his mum's back.
Yeah.
Hello. You tired? What are you doing? What are you doing? It looks like they're her actual legs with the colour. Doesn't he? Like that? Bit hairy. Oh. Hello. Danny, you should be a children's presenter. Like it? Oh, like it? I think I'm going to get a toasty, or not toasty, a baguette. Prawn sandwich, shortbread and marble cake. And there's Paul. Where's the one at the top? Where did you go?
The next one.
Are they?
Yeah, very nice.
Oh, look.
Will you buy it? Oh,
Yeah, don't put your hand. Oh, sorry, Paul. Oh, they must be laying eggs. Hello. Oh my god, look at their feet. Hello. Oh. Oh. Is he humping him? Ellie. Ellie, what's that?
Gingilla. I'll put you back, Ellie, because you look very tired. Oh, yeah. Okay. Down.
Paul, look at him. It's free.
He can't get out.
Do you want some food? Whoa.
Get some food.
Yeah, it's only 20p. Can you believe all this is free? Wow, I really want a peacock. Hello. Look, I've got wet wipes. Give it to the peacock. Give some to the peacock. Oh, what about him?
Yeah, Mum. What about you? Hey, everyone.
Look at his leg. Look at the goat. You can get food over there.
That's where our wall comes from.
Oh, wow.
Only the goats fall.
You're white.
Hello. Ew, I bet that smells. Sorry. Hello. Well, that's not very nice. Is he okay? Oh, hello. Oh, I like you. Hello. Hi, everyone. So we are at a place called Lee Valley. I think it's just called Lee Valley Park or something. It took us quite a long time to get here because we got lost, but we're finally here. And we left ours at about 10 this morning because we went to a garden centre called Hage, I think, or Hage. But I think it was near Hertfordshire. I'm not too sure. I'm not very good at places, but it was really, really good. I went yesterday with my mum and her partner, so I'll insert the footage probably before this. And then I took Paul today because he really wants to go, and there was all animals there. It's so worth it. We spent a good 4 hours yesterday at the place. They've got everything. Really good food as well. They had like a cafe restaurant, and they have like a shop for like cooking and baking stuff, and Yankee candles, kids clothes, everything there. So I'll probably leave a link down below if anyone wants to go and try it out. But I'm super tired today. Ellie was up at 5 and I really wanted to get out of the house. I don't know why. It's Monday today, but I'm super tired and I've got a massive headache as well. I look like absolute poo today, but it's really humid. It's very cloudy but humid, and Paul's just going to find out if we can go on the boats along the river, but we're not sure because of Ellie. So if they say, obviously, she might have to have a life jacket or we might have to hold, obviously. But hopefully we can, because that'd be really, really nice. And yeah, that's all we've really got planned for today. Yeah, Ellie's fast asleep. I'll quickly show you her. Big. Yeah. Say Ellie! Ellie! Paul, she's proper smiling. We're on the boat! We're on the boat! Nice, isn't it, Paul? Ellie! Hello, dear. We're on the boat. Get us see. And the sun's out. Perfect. Ellie.
Ducks and should feed them.
I'm going to feed the ducks. Yeah? Dream garden. You go now. Ellie's having a little nap. On you, oh you wait. You wait. Are you smiling? With your little life jacket. And I covered her legs because I don't want her getting burnt. Do we? So sunny. Yeah, I might have a drive. I'm having a go at steering the boat. Not doing very good. While Paul's in the back with Ellie. Whee! Keep to the right. I can see you. Hello.
Hello.
So, we are going to end the vlog here, aren't we, Ellie? She's been a little monkey, aren't you? Yes. Where's your mouth? You're crazy. Say bye. Bye, everyone. Look how good she is at rolling over. Ready, go. You're not going to do it now, are you? Go on. There we go. Roll over all the way. Good girl. And again. Yay! You're so good at rolling. You look so tired. Ellie. Oh.